So the fallout continues for Terra Luna, for Doquan, firms around Terra Luna, UST, and all that has happened there. We've got continued fallout of this. Let me move that down so you can kind of not have to see that video, if you will. So it can be distracting, if you will. All right, I got to give a shout out to Watcher Guru. They're a great website that has really good news, and I saw this and I'm like, this is interesting. Okay, so investors sue Terra Labs, Doquan, and venture capital firms associated with Terra for, quote, misleading claims. All right, so this has come out. So Nick Patterson has filed a lawsuit in the Northern District of California on Friday, arguing that Quan should be held responsible for the crash of Terra ecosystem because he deliberately misled investors. All right, and there's the tweet that was on Watcher.Guru's Twitter page. Patterson seeks class action status to enable other victims to join the lawsuit. He maintained that Quan flouted several federal security laws in the process. He explained that because of the close resemblance between tokens created by Terra and securities, they were able to market them in a way that downplayed their risk. Okay, so Terra's crash and the crash of the UST, which was Terra's stablecoin, has obviously just had a massive amount of fallout, right? We know this, okay? Meanwhile, crypto platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and others that listed the asset are also facing a lawsuit from investors who allege that the exchange failed to carry out due diligence before listing the coin. Okay, so we got that going on. There's a lot of, again, I've talked about this in previous videos, a tremendous amount of fallout is happening. And, fallout literally is just like the bomb blows up, right? And then there's all this fallout. There's all this debris that continues to fall and just continues to cause, carnage, and it continues to happen. And this is not over, guys, okay? So Terra backers also co-defendants in new lawsuit. So let's see. His company Terraform Labs and the former financial backers like Jump Crypto, Jump Trading, Republic Capital, Republic Maximal LLC, and Tribe Capital were also added to the defense. So these are some of the VC firms, the venture capital firms that helped launch Terra back in the day. Others are D Finance Capital, etc., and these other ones. Okay, Three Arrows Capital, and quite a few others. Okay, so part of the lawsuit reads, Terra promotions, along with the announcement of financial backing major venture capitalists and sector, were a siren song to both veteran and rookie cryptos investors alike, luring them in with a purportedly, quote, stable digital asset in UST that would nevertheless provide outsized returns on investment via an anchor. Okay, the marketing of UST and Anchor was so effective that approximately 14 billion of UST's market cap, 75%, was deposited into Anchor at its peak. Wow. And we know that Terra crashed last month. So what is your thoughts? What do you think? This is continued. We're going to continue to see more and more of this. I'm just curious to what you guys think. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day. There's more of these coming. See you.